Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala Rasulillah. My dear student, greeting to you all. Today, inshallah, we will continue our journey taking English language lessons. My name is teacher Inas Al-Hadathi. So these are the lessons for the third year. We already started the second unit. The name of the unit is called jobs. So in the previous lesson, we introduced more jobs, new jobs. Also, we talked about places for these people. Where do they work? Okay. Again, this is the second lesson, lesson number 2. You will find this lesson at page 24 and 25. You know what to do. Have your books ready. Open your books at page 24 and 25 and let's start. Bismillah. Let's start by revising what we have learned in the previous lesson, my dear student. We introduced jobs or occupations. Like what? Help me name the jobs we already know. Like a pilot, a farmer, a doctor, a nurse, a teacher, a policeman, an engineer. Very good. Also introduce the places. Where do they work? Where do these people work? They work at hospitals, factories, companies, schools, and so on. By the end of the lesson, you will inshallah be able to answer yes/no questions. So these are questions that indicate the answer must be yes or no. Okay? Also, we will be able to do different exercises like matching, completing, and so on. And we will practice reading. Okay? So let's start. This is the cover of your unit. Unit number 2. Again, you will find it at page 24 and 25. Let's start. Bismillah. Let me try to remind you of this picture. Try to name some of the jobs here. I think now you can name more jobs as we are taking or learning more. Okay, I can see a scientist. I can see an engineer. I can see a guy who working at the lab, a lady who's working at the market. Different jobs of different people doing different things. Okay, so remember, these are the two questions we have. They have the same answer. What do you do? What is your job? So I will have this question for you now, my dear student. What do you do? What is your job? Tell me. Are you students? What is your job? Name it to me and let's learn or let's revise the jobs we already take before. Let's start with this man. What is his job? I know you can name the job for me. He is a pilot. Very good. He is a pilot. I need your full attention because maybe later in this lesson I'll be asking you questions about these pictures. So he is a pilot. A pilot. One more time. A pilot. One last time. A pilot. Very good. Very good. Now how about this man? He is what? He is a doctor. A doctor. One more time. A doctor. One last time. A doctor. Very good, very good. How about this lady? What does she do? What is her job? She is a nurse. A nurse. One more time. A nurse. One last time. A nurse. Very good. How about this man? What is his job? He is, like me, he is a teacher. A teacher. One more time. A teacher. One last time. A teacher. Very good. How about this man? He is a farmer. A farmer. One more time. A farmer. One last time. A farmer. Remember that all these people are having different jobs and they work at different places. How about this man now? What is his job? He is a waiter. A waiter. One more time. A waiter. One last time. A waiter. Very good, very good. How about this man now? What is his job? What does he do? He is an engineer. Very good. An engineer. An engineer. One more time. An engineer. One last time. An engineer. Very good. How about this man now? What is his job? He is a policeman. A policeman. One more time. A policeman. One last time. A policeman. Very good. Now, I will introduce myself as I did before. I am Ines. That's my name. How about my job? I am a teacher. I am a teacher. Very good, very good. Now, we will discuss or we will revise the places we learned before. Where do these people work? Where do they work, my dear student? By answering this question, we will be able to link the people with their work sites or with their places. For example, this is a school. Who works here? Teachers. Very good. A school. A school. One more time. A school. One last time. A school. Very good. Next one I have a police station. A police station. One more time. A police station. One last time. A police station. So who works here? Policeman. Very good. Or policeman. Next one I have a farm. A farm. One more time. A farm. One last time. A farm. Very good. Farmers work at a farm. Very good. Next one I have a restaurant. A restaurant. One more time. A restaurant. One last time. A restaurant. Very good. Next one I have is a company. A company. One more time. A company. One last time. A company. Very good, very good. Next one I have is a hospital. A hospital. Who works here? Who works here? Doctors work here and also nurses work at a hospital. Next one I have is a factory. A factory. One more time. A factory. One last time. A factory. We have engineers working at factories. Now, I need your help here. Help me to match. As you can see, to your left, I have different people with different jobs. And to your right, I have different places. Help me to link or to match the job with the work site. Let's start with the doctor. Where does he work? He works at a hospital. That's right. Very good. So he works at a hospital. How about a waiter? Where does he work? Where does he work? Here I have a police station, a farm, and a restaurant. So he works at a restaurant. Very good. So he works at a restaurant. That's right. So here to your left, I have a farmer and I have a policeman. Where does he work? A farmer. Where does a farmer work? He works at a farm. And last but not least, I have a policeman who works at police station. So let's go ahead and read the jobs first. I have a doctor, a waiter, a farmer, and a policeman. To your right, I have the work sites or the places, a hospital, a police station, a farm, and a restaurant. Very good, very good. Let's go to the next one. Now, I have to your left, again, different jobs, and to your right, I have the work sites or the places. Let's start by linking the first one. He is a pilot. So where does he work? He works at an airport. That's right. Very good. He works at an airport. Very good. How about the teacher? Where does she work? She works at a school. That's right. Very good. She works at a school. And for the last picture or the last job here, I have a nurse. She works at a hospital. Very good. So let's go ahead and read the jobs again and then go ahead and read the work sites again. I have a pilot, a teacher, a nurse. To your right, I have a hospital, an airport, a school. Okay? So now, let's try by practice what I meant by a yes-no questions. Yes-no questions are questions that indicate the answer must be yes or no. Okay? So, is it a hospital, my dear student? Now look at the picture. Is it a hospital? I did not use what is this. No, is it a hospital? So the answer must be yes or no. What do you think? Is it? Is it a hospital? The answer is no, it is not. Or no, it isn't. It's not a hospital, right? It's not a hospital. So what is it? What is this place? You know the answer. It is a school. Very good. It is a school. Let's go ahead and read the questions and the answer. Is it a hospital? Is it a hospital? So if I start a question with like this, is it a hospital? The answer must be yes or no. Is it a hospital? No, it is not. Or no, it isn't. It is a school. It is a school. Very good. Let's go to the next slide. Now, I have it as a different one. As you can see, I have an ID card with some info. I have Saad, student 17. Okay? So I have two questions here for you. Is he a teacher? Is he a teacher? What do you think? Is he? No, he isn't. Or, no, he is not. He's not a teacher, right? So what does he do? What is his job? He is a student. Very good. He is a student. So let's go ahead and read the questions and the answers one more time. Is he a teacher based on the ID card? No, he's not. Is he a teacher? No, he isn't. What does he do? He is a student. He is a student. Very good, very good. Now, I hope you can differentiate between the first question and the second question. The first question is yes, no question. The second question is WH question, okay? Now, how about this picture? Is he a teacher? So this is a yes, no question. Is he a teacher, my dear student? Is he? Yes, he is. Very good. Yes, he is. So let's go ahead and read one more time. Is he a teacher? Is he a teacher? Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Now, how about this picture? Is she a farmer? Is she a farmer? Is she a farmer, my dear student? No, she isn't. No, she isn't. She's not a farmer. So what is she? She is a nurse. Very good. She is a nurse. So let's go ahead and read it one more time. Is she a farmer? Is she a farmer? No, she isn't. No, she isn't. She is a nurse. She is a nurse. Very good. Now, how about this picture? Are they doctors? Again, this is a yes, no question. Are they doctors? Are they? What do you think? No, they aren't. Or, no, they are not. Are they doctors? No, they aren't. So what are they? They are students. That's right. They are students. So let's go ahead and read it one more time. Are they doctors? Are they doctors? No, they aren't. They are students. They are students. Very good. How about this picture? Is it a hospital, my dear student? Do you think this is a hospital? Is it a hospital? You are right. Yes, it is. It is a hospital. Very good. So let's go ahead and read it one more time. Is it a hospital? Is it a hospital? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Very good. Very good. How about this picture? Is he a policeman? Is he a policeman? What do you think? Is he? Yes, he is. Very good. Yes, he is. So let's go ahead and let's read it one more time. Is he a policeman? Is he a policeman? Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Very good. How about this picture? Is he a farmer? Is he a farmer? Is he a farmer, my dear student? What do you think? Is he a farmer? No, he isn't. No, he isn't. Very good. He's not a farmer. Very good. So let's go ahead and read it one more time. Is he a farmer? Is he a farmer? No, he isn't. No, he isn't. Very good. Very good. So what is he? He is a pilot. He is a pilot. Very good. Very good. Now, have your books ready at page 24. Let's read together. I will have it divide. So I will have the zoomed in for the upper part and then for the lower part. Again, let's read together. Ask and answer. This is unit 2, lesson 2. Look and answer. Is your sister a doctor? So again, what kind of questions are these? We call them yes, no questions. So the answer must be yes or no. Is your sister a doctor? No, she isn't. No, she isn't. What is her job? She is a teacher. She is a teacher. Let's go ahead and read it one more time. Is your sister a doctor? Is your sister a doctor? One more time. Is your sister a doctor? No, she isn't. No, she isn't. One more time. No, she isn't. Very good. What is her job? What is her job? She is a teacher. She is a teacher. Very good, very good. Now, remember, I have a yes, no question. Is your sister a doctor? No, she isn't. What is her job? She is a teacher. She is a teacher. Very good. Let's go to number 2. Is your father a policeman? Is your father a policeman? Again, this is a yes, no question. Is your father a policeman? Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Where does he work? Where does he work? He works in a police station. He works in a police station. Let's go ahead and read number 2. Is your father a policeman? This is a yes, no question. Is your father a policeman? Yes, he is. Yes, he is. One more time. Is your father a policeman? Yes, he is. Very good. Remember, I need you to read. I need you to practice reading with me. Where does he work? Where does he work? Now I need the place. Where does he work? He works at or in a police station. He works in a police station. Very good. Now we will move to the lower part. Is your brother a farmer? So this is a yes, no question. Is your brother a farmer? No, he isn't. Very good. No, he isn't. Very good, very good. So let's read one more time. Is your brother a farmer? No, he isn't. Make sure you are completing the correct answer. Is your neighbor a pilot? Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Let's go ahead and let's read one more time. Is your brother a farmer? Yes. Sorry, no, he isn't. Is your brother a farmer? No, he isn't. Is your neighbor a pilot? Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Very good, very good. Now, again, as you can see, we have this. You have this at page 25. So let's go ahead and read. This is similar as the first one, but here we will do something different. In the first lesson, we asked who is number 5, who is number 2, but now we will be doing the same, except we are going to do it with yes, no question. So what I need you to do here is help me to name the jobs, starting from number 1 till number 8. Okay, so number 1, who are they? They are, what do you think? Policemen. Policemen. Very good. One more time. Policemen. One last time. policeman. Very good, very good. So number 1, we have policeman. Now remember, I need you to name the job and the place. So where do policemen work, my dear student? Where do they work? For number 1, they are policemen. Where do they work? They work at a police station. Very good. They work at a police station. Very good. Number 2. Now look at number 2. What is her job? What does she do? She is what? She is a teacher. Very good. She is a teacher. Very good. So where does she work, my dear student? She works at a school. Very good. She works at school. So she is a teacher. She works at school. Have all these information in your head because I'll be asking you a yes, no question. How about number 3? What is his job? He is a farmer. That's right. He is a farmer. Very good. Where does he work? Where does he work? He works at a farm. He works at a farm. Very good. So we have a farmer. He works at a farm. Number 4, I have a pilot. A pilot. So where does he work, my dear student? He works at an airport. He works at an airport. Very good, very good. How about number 5? What is her job? What does she do? She is a doctor. Number 5, a doctor. Very good. She is a doctor. Where does she work? She works at a hospital. Very good. She works at a hospital. How about number 6 now? What does he do? He is a waiter. He is a waiter. Very good. He is a waiter. Where does he work? He works at a restaurant. Very good. He works at a restaurant. Number 7, I can see 2 engineers. They are engineers. Engineers. They are engineers. Where do they work? Where do they work? They work at a factory. They're very good. They work at a factory. Number 8, I have a nurse. A nurse. She is a nurse. Where does she work? She works at a hospital. Very good. So number 8, I have a nurse. She works at a hospital. Now, as I told you, we are going to do something different. I'll be asking you a yes, no questions here. Let's try to practice it. I will give you this one as an example. Number 5. Is she a teacher? No, she isn't. She is a doctor. So let's read it one more time. You know what I'm doing now. Number 5. So look at number 5. Is she a teacher? No, she isn't. She is a doctor. Let's go to the next picture. Number 1. Are they engineers? No, they aren't. They are policemen, and so on. So now, have yourself ready and look at number 2. Is she a doctor? Is she a doctor? Number 2, look at number 2. Is she a doctor? No, she isn't. She is not a doctor. So what does she do? She is a teacher. Very good. She is a teacher. How about number 3? Is he a farmer? Is he a farmer? Yes, he is. Very good. Yes, he is. Number 3, is he a farmer? Yes, he is. How about number 4? Are they engineers? Are they engineers? What do you think? Yes or no? No, they aren't. They aren't engineers. They are pilots. They are pilots. Very good. How about number 6? Is he a doctor? Is he a doctor? No, he isn't. He is not a doctor. So what is he? He is a waiter. Very good. He is a waiter. A waiter. Very good. How about number 8? Is she a nurse? Is she a nurse? Yes, she is. Very good. Yes, she is. So let's try to revise what we have learned in this lesson, my dear student. In this lesson, we introduce or we revise jobs, occupations, more career, like what? Like pilots, engineers, businessmen, teachers, doctors, farmers, and so on. Also introduce the places where do these people work. They work at hospitals, airports, schools, factories, companies. Also, we practice yes/no questions. Yes/no questions, these are the questions that indicates the answer should be yes or no. Are you a teacher? Are you a student? Are you a doctor? Is he a pilot? And so on. So that was our lesson, my dear student. Until I see you next time, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.